Hello my little artists. Welcome back to Creative Cubs Art. Today we are going to draw a beautiful bright hibiscus flower step by step. So grab your paper, pencil and colors and let's start creating magic. First of all, we draw a circle using a compass. Now let's draw 5 big petals. Start from the bottom and make an inverted U shape for the first petal. And then make large curvy shapes going outward. Don't worry if they are not perfect. Flowers are naturally uneven and that makes them beautiful. Draw zigzag lines to form the edge of the petals. Next, draw a long curved line coming out from the center of the flower. This is called the stamen, the special long part of the hibiscus. Now add tiny little dots at the end of the stamen. These are pollen buds. Add small lines and dots to make it look detailed. Now draw the thickened base of the flower where all the petals are attached. Further, let us draw a long slightly curved line on the side for the stem. Now draw a leaf attached to the stem. Make it pointed at the end and add small zigzag lines on the sides. Don't forget to draw the veins inside the leaf. Now it's time to color. Color the petals bright red or pink. Color the stem and leaf green. You can use yellow or orange for the stamen. Take your time and color neatly. And wow, look at your beautiful hibiscus flower. You did an amazing job today. If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Creative Cubs Art. Keep practicing, keep smiling and keep creating. See you in the next drawing. Bye bye.